Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel roshniwithhina. Today I will discuss the topic difference between accounting and finance. Accounting focus records and reporting financial transactions accurately and accordance with established standards. Objective provides a historical overview of a company financial health, ensuring transparency and compliance. Task recording daily transactions, preparing financial statement, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, reconciling accounts, complying with tax regulations. For example, an accountant calculates a company revenue and expenses to determine its net income for the year, presenting this information in the annual income statement. Finance focus manage finances to achieve an organization's financial goal, analyzing data to make informed decisions about investments, funding, and resource allocation. Objective creates value for the company by optimizing financial resources and makes strategic decisions. Task financial modeling, capital budgeting, risk management, investment analysis, raising capital, managing cash flow. For example, a financial analyst assesses by the viability of a new product launch by projecting its potential cost and revenue, recommending whether to proceed based on their analysis. Accounting versus finance key differences. Perspective. Accounting looks backward at past transactions, while finance looks forward to future opportunities and risks. Emphasis accounting priorities, accuracy and compliance, while finance prioritize making sound financial decisions that benefit the organization. Skills accountant excel in data analysis, record keeping, and following standard, while finance professionals are skilled in analysis, modeling, and making recommendations based on financial data. Focus accounting historical financial transactions, accuracy and compliance, finance future financial activities, value creations and strategic decision making. Activities accounting, recording transactions, maintaining ledger, preparing the financial statement, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, tax compliance. Finance, financial modeling, capital budgeting, risk management, investment analysis, fundraising, cash flow management. Skills accounting, data analysis, record keeping, attention to detail, following standards. Finance analytical skills, modeling expertise, problem solving, communications, critical thinking. Education accounting degree, CPA certification optional. Finance degree, CFA certifications optional. Tools and technologies accounting software, for example, QuickBook, Oracle, Nature, tax software. Finance, financial modeling software, for example, Excel, Bloomberg, financial databases, risk management software. Regulations and compliance. Accounting subject to strict accounting standards, GAAP, IFRS and regulations. Finance subject to broader regulations depending on activities, for example, securities law. Impact on businesses. Accounting ensures financial accuracy and compliance, protects assets, informs decision making. Finance optimize financial resources, create value through investment and strategic decisions. Overall approach accounting rule based focused on objectivity and precision. Finance more subjective involves judgment and creative problem solving. Clients Accounting, primarily internal company management, auditors, and external tax authorities, investors. Finance, primarily internal management, other departments, but also external investor lenders. Career paths: accounting, public accountant, corporate accountant, tax accountant, auditor, finance, investment banker, financial analyst, corporate finance manager, venture capitalist. Salary and compensation. Accounting salaries vary depending on experience, location, and specialization. Finance salaries tend to be higher than accounting on average, with significant bonuses for the top performance. Work environment: accounting can be routine and detail oriented, but also requires strong analytical skills. Finance, more fast paced and dynamic, often involving significant pressures and travel. That's all my presentations. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe. If you have any question, then you can ask me through on the comment section.